lot I purchased, and I had a guy come mow it, and I came out here to look at it, and we didn't mow the right lot. Well, we kind of did and we kind of didn't. We mowed half of the right lot, and we mowed all the neighbors' lots, it looks like. So this mowing here is not our lot. So I guess we did a neighborhood good deed on that one. But down that way at the end of this is our lot. So he got into it, but I think he only mowed about half of our lot. And you know, probably the 2 lots to the side of it got a mowing too. So no big deal. He's gonna come back out and we're gonna mow it. There were some marks on the street there that had been spray painted, but they were kind of faded. So I remarked everything, and we're gonna give it another whirl. I don't think anybody's gonna be too upset about the mowing that they got on them lots there. I don't even know if the owners are local or if they ever check on. Don't look like it's ever been mowed, kind of like that lot there that I got. Doesn't look like it's ever been mowed either. So I think no harm, no foul on that one. But I do need to get, you see along the front, it's a little bit thicker, some trees and brush, and I don't even know what kind of plants those are. Little trees there growing up. So he's gonna get in there. He said he's got a plan to get that cleared up, kind of get some curb appeal going on before we put a for sale sign on that lot. You know, here at this, you know, that looks great where he came in with his tractor, but we're gonna see if we can't get that going along the frontage of our lot there. Get it looking pretty. I'll show you the marks where I remarked this lot here. So we had found the survey pins, and it was kind of, I think the previous owner maybe had put some orange paint on just on the grass there, but didn't quite do it. He was having trouble finding it, so I came in and marked it up myself too, and put this green marking paint on there on the street, then all along the front. Put that diaper box there as a landmark, because that's all I really had on me at the time. So anyway, we're gonna get in there and see if we can't mow it, get us some curb appeal, at least clean it up a little bit, and stick a for sale sign in it. So mowed the wrong lot, maybe mowed the wrong 2 lots, but we're gonna get in there, we're gonna get it done.